Welcome back. In this part, we will learn dictionaries. Oh yeah, that's very important. Dictionaries. Okay, .py. Let me just show you why we need dictionary. And for instance, you may say first name, and for instance, I can go for my name and last name, and then I can go my last name, and then my age, and everybody knows it, 250, and the country, it is going to be Finland. Now, sometimes we can have data of this is my data, and someone is tying us data, or maybe John's data, or Sammy's data, something like that. The first name and the value, the last name and the value, the age and the value. So in this case, we need some kind of structure. So we can change this instead to a dictionary. Okay, let me just comment this out. And I can create a dictionary. So how do we create a dictionary, guys? I will show you. This is how we create a dictionary. Like this. This is an empty dictionary. Oh, really? Yeah. Let's print this out. There's some wrong with the indentation. Sometimes if you have indentation problem, Python doesn't work. Yes, have you seen it's an empty dictionary? How do I know if it's a dictionary? Let's just check type and this empty. Let's see it. Yes, it's an empty dictionary. Also, you can create D, you can call it D and dict. This is also an empty dictionary. Print D. And as you can see, it's an empty dictionary. Or you can also check print type, not type D. Right. Yeah, now, how about if we create a dictionary of Finnish to English, okay? Finnish to English, and then I want, maybe I can start words I know, maybe hello is house in English. If I make a mistake, just tell me, and then I can say kirja, it's going to be a book, and maybe mies is going to be a man, and nainen is going to be a woman, and poika is going to be a boy. Oh, yes, a very good Finnish to English dictionary. Huh. Why we call this dictionary? Can you tell me why we call this dictionary? Because it's mapped. This value, the key is mapped to the value. Key value, key value, key value, key value. So whenever we create a dictionary, it should follow this. There should be a key, a value. Can we make this further? How about if we create a person dictionary? This a person, okay, his first name, the first name, followed by the value, my name. Yep. And the last name, followed by the person's last name. And again, yeah, between this, as you can see, there's a comma, okay? Then country of whatsoever, and then I can say Finland. And then again, skills. Does this person have skills? Why not? Let's give him some skills. At least he has a Python, he has a React, and he may have Node something, some skills. How about address? Yeah, this person should have an address, and we are creating another dictionary. Okay, the street name, name, we call it space street, and maybe the city, we can call it Helsinki. Helsinki, please. And the zip code, and you can call it 02270 or whatsoever. Now, as you can see, but I think I forgot also, let's give age for this person. You can add plenty of information, you know, age. 250, is married. Yes, he's married. So now I'm at is married. This key, what value do you expect here? What value are you expecting?
Yes or no?
Yes, so it's going to be in this case
true or false?
Yes, true. As you can see, I have created now a person that has almost all the data types: string, number, boolean, list, and another dictionary again. Yes. Okay. If we want to create a data type, for instance, if this person has like kids, we can create his kids, right? And I can then like my kids, John and Robert, and who could be Marta. And if I don't want to have any more kids, that's why I am using a tuple now, guys. If you don't have a plan to have any more kids, so that means, yeah, there is no any way. You just create kids like out of the blue. So yes, something like that, but I don't have kids, and these are not my kids, these are my imaginary kids anyway. So for just to make some example, let's print this, print person. Okay, let's see it. Yeah, it should be so pretty now. Yeah, as you can see, we have this. For printing purpose, don't think about this. I am about to use some method. From pprint, import pprint. I will teach you about importing in the next session, so don't worry about it. I am just importing this pprint that allows me to print this in a beautiful way. The reason why we call it pprint is pretty print. Yes, I just pronounce it like pretty. Yes, it is pretty. Oh yeah, great. Now, as you can see, this is not so nice to read it. So if I say P, additional P print, it would be nice. Oh yeah, have you seen now? It's pretty, really, indeed, it's pretty. Okay, so now we can access one of the item, for instance, person, and then I can say, what's the age of this person? Everybody knows, tell me, what's the age of this person? 250, and you should get, yes, 250. Okay, let's person, and if I am interested in the skills, as you can see, yeah, if I want you to count the skill of this person, learn person, and then skills, and then you have to print it out. Oh yes, 3 skills. Yeah, of course you can count them. Oh yeah. Yes, so we can access. Can we modify? But by the way, can we modify after we create this? Yes, we can modify it. Okay, does this person has any nationality, guys? No, he doesn't have any nationality. So now let's modify it. Person, nationality, and then actually we can do Ethiopian. Yes, now let's print again, because print the person to check if it has been modified or not. Yep, let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot to use print because that's so nice to look at it. Okay, as you can see now, this person got nationality. Let me show you P again, print person, and if I say schools, where did this person attend schools? Did he tell about what schools he attended? Nope. Do you see any schools here? No. Let's try now. Yeah, Python is now crying. Have you seen? Schools is nowhere mentioned. So there is another method, this print persons dot get and then schools. And now I have to comment this out. Let's see. Yeah, it says none. If there is no value, it says none. But now let's, have you seen? So it doesn't crash. Let's add schools. For instance, what schools did I attend? I can say schools. Oh, it will be, so the schools I attended, is it going to be tuple or is it going to be a list?
Depends if you still want to learn something or go to more schools.
Wow, that's very, very good answer. That's true. It depends. Yeah, that's true. So let's just be flexible. So remember, just to use list most of the time, just use list and you're safe, okay? You are safe, most of 99 something like types. So now let's say Metropolia and then Helsinki, and then maybe before that, Wageningen, whatever. And I don't remember the name of the university anymore. So maybe whatever, but I don't want to spend too much time trying to fix that. Okay, as you can see, now this will not be anymore none, but it will give me the list of the schools, right? Great. So sometimes we can use a gate instead of just using this square bracket, or we can also use if I can say if there is, for instance, hobbies. Do I have hobbies? No. If the gate, if person hobbies print person hobbies. So now, as you can see, if I am actually, it's not like that. It's not like this. It should be a bit different. In what is this person? If hobbies in person, just print. Now, nothing. Now let's add and see. Okay, what are my hobbies? Hobbies. Is the hobbies going to be what kind of data type is it going to be? Yes, as I told you, most of the time what you should use?
A list.
A list. Yes, you never know. You will have many hobbies. I may learn something new and or just hobby, develop a new hobby. Okay, my hobby, hiking. Okay. And there, okay, what hobby do I have? Yes.
Football.
Dancing on the keyboard. Yes. Football. Okay, so let's just move on. Great. And now let's just run. Now, have you seen now? First, it checked it. If it exists, then it runs. So we call this graceful deprecation. So without making or without crashing, it's running, it checks it. Okay, let's see if there's something lengths. How do we check the lengths of the dictionary? Of course, we can say print and learn and the dictionary person. Okay, how many? I am expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I'm expecting 10. Oh, well, maybe I made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4. How is that possible? Let's make this bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah, the reason why one of the key, we added it outside. We modified it. Have you seen? Yes. That's why you don't see it there, but it's part of, so it's 11. Okay, how many, what's the length of the Finnish to English dictionary? You tell me now, just count it manually and tell me. Please tell me.
Is it 5?
Yeah, it's 5. Tell me the keys. What are the keys?
Is it the first column? So talo, kirja, mies, nainen, poika.
Yes, those are the keys, and the values are the English words. The house, book, man, woman, and boy. Great. So keys and values. Now let's ask Python to give us the keys. So I can say Finnish, what was Finnish to English, keys, and then you can just call it. And then let's see what we get actually. Print. Do you remember these guys, these words? Yep, all the Finnish words. And now if you say print Finnish to English and then values, and you will get all the corresponding English word. Oh yeah, great. And then also there's this another method, print Finnish to English, and then actually items. And then if you do so, oh yeah, you get like a list of tuples, the key and the value, the key and the value. By the way, we can also loop through this. We can say 4 items in, but it's better to say just 1 item and then print the item. Then we will get a tuple. Oh, have you seen tuple? Tuple for talo and house, and yeah, and now we can extract the items. The first will be the key item, and the second will be the value. Have you seen? Yeah, great. We can do the same for this one. Yeah, for person. Why not? For by the way, let's just do loop. I mean, in person and print item. This just give us actually only the keys. If you do this, it just give you only the keys. Yeah, but why not? You can also extract. Then what you should do, hey person, I want to get the value, then you just drop the item. So this instead I can call it the key because we are extracting the key here. I believe that it's getting advanced now. Yeah, as you can see now, we're extracting those out. Great. Yep. Dictionary links, accessing dictionary items. See, we have seen that. And oh yeah, so it's the same in here. Gate, using gate, accessing. We have seen that also. Items, adding items to a dictionary, or I prefer to say modifying. Yeah, modifying would be better. But who can help me? Because guys, as Tanya said, it depends on your interest. If you are going to, maybe I'm going to attend a school at Alto. So help me, how can I add Alto over here? Here. So I can say, maybe somewhere around, yeah, person, then schools, then what is the data type? List, right? So we have to append, then Alto. Yes, great. Then let's try to see what we have now. Now we should see Alto somewhere. Yeah, have you seen it? Alto is there now. Yeah. So you can, now you tell me, how can I modify? I want to add one skill, or maybe I want to add one child in here, and I want to call him maybe Do. This, and the kids, let's add, why not, person, person. And now I have to go to the kids and then append. So, and now if we run, we will have more. Where is the kids section? Tuple has, oh yeah. Have you seen now? Because I've already decided that not to have any kid, right? Yeah, it's tuple. So you can do that, but you can increase your hobbies and you can increase your skills, but you can't increase the number of kids. Such a very good example. Okay, I just love this example anyway. Okay, great. I don't know if you get it, but I don't know. Did you get it? Just type one for me if you really get that. That was really very good one. So type just one for me if you really got that. Okay, great. Modifying items, we have seen that checking keys in a dictionary. Yeah, we have checked it. Checking keys means, for instance, the finish, we can say print. Do we have okay. So in the Finnish dictionary, we don't have it, right? Let's check. It's false because we don't have it. Yeah, but we can go, and if we add, it will be true. So maybe it's to watch, right? Or to look at, no? Now, as you can see, it's became true. Yeah, great. Removing a key and value pairs from a dictionary. Yeah, we can remove actually an item using pop again. Removes the item with a specified key name. For instance, if you want to remove one of the item from from Finnish to English, let me just pop poika will be removed. Yeah. So now if I check print Finnish to English, we will not have. You can just add p print to make it. No, don't do that. P. There is no poika, as you can see, because it has been removed. We can also use maybe delete instead of this one. We can use the same thing. Delete again. Let's go for poika. Do and then Finnish to English, and then again poika. This way, we can also delete it this way. Let's see. And then as you can see, no poika. The same, you can use either this way or this way. It might be too much information, but you can actually go through by yourself and it will be somehow okay. Changing dictionary to a list of items, we have seen this already. Clearing. Clearing means actually, yeah, just making it empty. Now, if you want to make Finnish to English clear, so it's going to be empty. Now, print Finnish to English. It should be empty. Oh yeah, because we are clearing it. Deleting a dictionary. By the end, you can delete everything. So it's the same as in like, we have used this in with many data types, with list, with set. So it's the same in here. Dull dictionary. Copy a dictionary. Oh yeah, sometimes we want to copy, you know, you can say person data copied, and then we can say what was the person, then you can say copy. Now we are copying everything we have and put it in here. That's great. Then we have seen the keys and the values. Yeah, I think this is good enough. And now we have covered the most important. Actually, we have covered everything related to dictionary, and I would strongly recommend you to repeat this. The recording has to be revised a couple of times because there's quite lots of information and it's now getting advanced. Okay, let's finish here if you don't have any question.